In the next few videos, we're going to be turning this garage into a multi-set YouTube studio. We moved to Texas for a new job that I was working for at the time. Over the years, YouTube has made it possible for me to fulfill my hobby, and I'm working towards making this a full-time job. Before we jump into today's build, I want to talk a little bit about today's sponsors. AeroPress and Baratza are two of my favorite brands, and I've always enjoyed using their products. Using the AeroPress makes it easy and simple to brew many different drinks at home or on the go. If you're looking for precision with electric grinders, it's a no-brainer to go with the Baratza grinders. Thank you guys for making this video possible, and with that being said, let's jump right into building a multi-set YouTube studio. The first thing that I wanted to build in this series is the coffee area, which I'm in now. I got the idea of a huge peg wall from Amando's video linked above me. To do this, I first had to drill holes in a big sheet of plywood. I strongly recommend asking for a friend to help because this part was very time consuming. After that, I made sure that the pegs fit, and then I was on to preparing the wall. For this set, I wanted the wall to be black, but because I'm working out of a rented garage, I didn't want to paint on the walls. Looking around, I found these black wallpaper rolls on Amazon that were perfect for what I needed. With the walls up, it was time to start making the shelves, which was very easy to do because of the modularity of the wall. Now the next part is a special piece that I wanted to add to this setup. With me only using this area for coffee, I wanted to build a coffee cart. I've done this before, as you can see in the video linked right above me, where I showcase a budget espresso machine. I built the frame first, and then I cut out the outer walls of the cart, then added wheels on the bottom in case I wanted to move it around. I installed the tabletop inside the studio, and then I added a water system that works only with one plug. Now this is very important because in this garage I don't have very many plugs that I can utilize. Now this water system will help me to make videos really quick and efficiently while also keeping everything clean. Moving on to decorating, I adjusted the shelves just a little bit more and then settled with this. Because I'm working in a garage, the sound is quite horrendous. Adding on that, I also am located right beside a busy highway. So while I definitely can't fix the sound completely, adding these sound panels will help to improve the sound quite a bit. If you're interested in how I made these panels, comment below requesting a video on it and I'll make one in the near future. After making a few adjustments, I settled with this set for now. I do plan on doing a bit more in the future, but for now I'm working on the other sets. In the next videos, I'll be showing you what I've done for set B. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell notification for when I post that video. Thank you guys for checking out this video, and if it brought you any value at all, please consider subscribing. It will help me out in reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers in the next month. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, I want to give a huge thank you to our sponsors of today's video, AeroPress and Baratza. If you guys get the chance, please check out the links below in the description to check out their products.